Hey everybody, hope you're doing well. So I just want to go through the thought process I had when I took the long before the key level at this key horizontal, and then I was anticipating the sweep of this low. So I'm going to just show a clip from a live stream, a members live stream 5 days ago, going through my thought process, and then we'll look at the chart now and just kind of, I'll explain that this idea of like price action behaving in a way to generate liquidity to get people on the wrong side of the move. And you can even trade an idea anticipating that. So I'm going to press play on this video and then we'll go over the chart. To typically do, we have a 786 here. So from this pivot low, it's the 786. It's this horizontal level. And then I started thinking, you know what? It's probably likely, even if we're going to hit this level, that we bounce before it and we put in a nice bounce, get people bullish again, whether it's to here or to here. And if we're going to take these lows, then range a bit and then sweep those lows, maybe on a quick move, and just wreck everybody again. So I decided to take that position. But if I hadn't taken it, I wouldn't care. All right, so that's a quick clip. So let's hop over to the chart here. So what my idea was, this is on the 4-hour chart, is I took this long here. I already explained the level that I took it off of. Took profits. Even though I anticipated that we come down lower, I thought it was likely we front run the level, we put in a bit of a range, and then we take a quick move down, grab that liquidity, and then push up into this key level. So that's what I was waiting for, but I still was able to get a nice trade before the key level, anticipating a range forming before it, because you'll notice this a lot if you've traded Bitcoin long or short. It'll typically range, and then before it makes a nice big move, it'll grab all the liquidity really quickly and then reverse. And it does that to the upside too. That's kind of what a swing failure, if you've heard that term, is. Same with like these shorts. We put in the range, it grabs all the liquidity above, gets people trapped, breakout longing, and then reverses down. Same thing here. So there's two levels I'm really looking at here. One is this, it's kind of a region. There's like 3 levels, but I only have one of them turned on. It's a region here. And this is a point of control. It's a high volume area. There's a fib here, a 382. So this is one level that I'd like for price to come tap. It's a big take profit for me. And then there's another level up higher above. And this level is around 44.4, 44.8. I've actually already talked about these a lot, but I know there's lots of new members here, or new followers. So anyways, these are 2 key levels I'm looking for. I'm still taking profits here because I understand we could just keep ranging. We could even come and retest these lows. I still have my shorts from the top, but anyways, this was a nice long I took. This is a nice long. I'm just looking for good entries and trying to understand, understand how price moves and likes to grab liquidity. So I do have some long-term bias or thesis of Bitcoin going much lower, but that could be months from now. So I'm happy to trade longs at key levels. And if I'm wrong about my short positions, having these targets, I've still taken profits on them. And if we break out, great, I have great longs. So anyways, that's how I like to trade. I like to trade both ways, shorts from key resistance, longs from key support, and just take profits reasonably. But I think it should be an interesting week for Bitcoin and crypto in general. Hope you all have a good one, and yeah, I'm looking forward to the week ahead.